Secret of Mastering Your Mind. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Hike Inspiration. Let's start. It's all too easy these days to be triggered into worry or anger, and the phone is a huge contributor. You may be stopped at a red light, listening to your favorite music, when you receive a frantic email from a disgruntled client or boss, or a text from a grumpy partner, which can send you into an emotional tailspin. When you combine this with a slew of other stressors such as fighting traffic, paying bills, and child rearing, it can be difficult to maintain your cool when an unexpected stressful event occurs. To do so, you must maintain control over your thoughts. How you mentally frame a situation can have a significant impact on your emotional response to it. Maintaining control, on the other hand, is considerably easier said than done. Rather than feeling in control of our minds, we frequently believe they are in controlling of us. Alternatively, to use a famous expression, we react rather than answer. Mindfulness, one of the most popular buzzwords of the 21st century, can help us master our own minds, albeit in little steps. This can help us reduce stress and increase emotional regulation and self-control, which will improve our relationships and overall quality of life. The more emotional pain you go through, the more you need to figure out how to master your mind by living in complete awareness. There comes a painful point when no thought becomes our only refuge. When the only way out of the beating and battering that life seems to bring us is to climb beyond the thinking mind into pure awareness consciousness. The ability to exist without thinking is just as valuable as being able to think clearly, logically, and imaginatively. There are toxic effects in the world of thoughts that can physically kill you if you give them too much of your attention, time, and energy. If you give them too much of yourself, when you believe you're not good enough, it's possible that you've been exposed to someone who believes the same thing about you. That individual views you in that light because he or she is looking for something from you that you are reluctant or unable to provide. Unbeknownst to him, he believes in his or her own feelings of inadequacy as a result of his or her inability to obtain what he or she desires. If you're overly concerned about what other people think and feel about you, or how that person thinks and feels about you in particular, you'll automatically accept those negative beliefs as your own. You will believe in your thoughts about yourself as long as you automatically identify with them as real representations of who you are. This will lead to feelings of self-loathing, and even self-hatred, which can be so severe that you lose hope in yourself. From there, you might truly want to die, leading to an active move towards suicide, or being subconsciously driven to develop a fatal disease or get into a fatal accident. Even if you survive it, you may still experience painful emotional suffering as a result of negative beliefs about yourself and your life. There is a way out of the emotional agony brought on by thoughts. It is to enter a state of pure awareness consciousness. Practice living in the present moment without thinking. The more you do this, the better prepared you will be to free yourself from emotional suffering. You won't waste your time, your life, your power, or your joy on emotional anguish because you'll be able to leave it behind as soon as you stop thinking about it. The path out of worry and anxiety, depression and fury is to entrust your life to unthinking reality. It is the path to peace. It does, however, take courage. It takes guts to give up the power of thinking, but there is no other healthy option when that power turns against you, when the things that come to mind are making you miserable, perhaps even too dreadful to continue. Leaving thought in favor of pure awareness is not a type of cowardly escapism, but a brave act of faith in life. You're implying that life will take care of me on its own. That life is enjoyable in and of itself. That I am not required to figure things out in order for things to work out. Beyond that, we find that when we approach the consciousness of pure awareness, or knowledge of present experience free of thought, a higher mind, a higher level of intelligent, intuitive awareness, enters to lead us. if you will call it a higher degree of insight and knowledge. You'll discover that in this alert state of attentive awareness to present moment experience, you'll be guided from inside to perform just the correct action, speak just the perfect word, and even attract just the right idea at exactly the perfect time. The more time you spend in pure awareness consciousness, the more power you'll have over your thinking mind, allowing you to direct it from higher intelligence, allowing your ideas to work for you rather than against you. This is the key to mastering your mind, live in complete awareness. Friends, I hope that you have liked this video very much and you must have learned a lot from the things mentioned in this video. Like and share and hit the bell icon to see more such interesting and knowledge-filled videos. I will bring a new video soon, so let's see you in the next video. Thank you.